Audio recording for this meeting has begun.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is David Wilmer, and today we're going to be looking at the Adobe Sign tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So let's check it out. We already have our Meridian Ink sample document open up. So we're just going to go into Tools and click on Adobe Sign. And from here, we can add in the emails of the recipients that we'd like to send this to, that we'd like to get this signed. And already we have our file attached, and we can have the option to add some more files if we'd like. But we're just going to add in who we want to send this to. Now note, you can only send this, you cannot just send this to yourself. So I've included my personal school email just to make this work. Now we're going to specify where to sign. So it's going to upload this document into the document cloud. Wait for it. Okay. So now we just have to specify where to sign. So there's several kinds of fields we can have for our various signatories. So we can have people sign, we can have fields designed to be signed by one person, by any one of these signers, or by anyone. So we're going to have a signature field for me and for me as well. Now note the different color. My personal school email is denoted by this brown color, and my Caresoft email is denoted by this pink color. And so we can add all kinds of fields for either me or me. Signature, initials, a signature block, a stamp, a title, company, name, email, or date, text input, drop-down, checkbox, or radio button, and lastly, participation stamps or transaction numbers. You can add any of these kinds of fields to the document for any recipient that you'd like. But once you're done putting in all these fields, you can hit Sign, then Send. So David Wilmer, the Adobe profile, completed this document, and just by hitting Sign, then Send, my Adobe account has signed this form. Now David Wilmer, the Caresoft email, needs to sign this form. And so I'm going to do that. And so it knows that, and then we're going to click to sign, since that was the only mandatory field that I made. And you could also view all of the mandatory fields up there. So we're going to click to sign. And that's all there is to it, really. So I'm going to get an update once my school email has signed this document, and then all eligible parties will be emailed copies of the fully signed PDF. And yeah, that's all there is to it, to the Adobe Sign tool. It's just a useful way for taking one document that needs to be signed by several of the same people, and when you need to get confirmation that everybody has finished up the document and signed it. So that's what that's for, but that's all there is to it. So thanks so much for watching, folks. Next time we'll be covering the certificates tool, but until then, take care.